Hey everyone, Greg here, and today I'm going to share how I go about finding topics to blog about on your website. So I'm going to share what I do for my sports website. So I always begin with a question. So why? And I'm going to say Toronto. So why Toronto? And then here is a trending query right now within Google. Why Toronto Raptors in NBA? This makes sense. I want to cover this topic. But before I begin though, I need to learn what my competition will look like. So first I have Wikipedia here. I'm probably not going to outrank them right now, but this people also ask, that's actually where I want to be. I want to get as many of these listings as I can. As you may or may not know, Google got rid of giving you the answer box plus an organic listing on page one. But as of June 2020, you can get as many people also ask answers right here. So this is actually where my target's going to be. So people also ask, so why did the NBA expand to Canada? Does Drake have anything to do with the Raptors? You can click into any of these and you get more and more people also ask questions to cover. These are things that people are actually searching for within Google, because when they do a query like why Toronto Raptors in NBA, now they're curious about what role Drake has within this team. Another thing is that Quora is the second organic ranking site within Google for this query. Anytime I see Quora, Reddit, Yahoo Answers, or any other type of user-generated site or forum, it tells me that Google did not find the best material to show as a ranking, but they're going to go back into Quora and Reddit, etc., because they have very strong domain authority, and they're going to say, somebody asked this question, it's pretty relevant to the search, I'm going to show the answer. But they also know that it's user-generated content, so they're not quite sure who's actually putting the right answer on the page. It gets a little fishy. So what I need to do, if I'm going to write a topic about basically why the Toronto Raptors are part of the NBA and why they're the only team in Canada who's part of basketball, etc., I need to cover this topic in a big way. So what I mean by that is look for things like related questions and make sure that A, can I cover these posts on my page? So anytime anyone's doing a follow-up question, my page already covers this answer. So again, cover these. Quora is giving you the answers right now, the questions right now just to answer. Second thing is look at the people also ask. Go through this, see if it makes sense to cover on your page. And then finally also look at essentially how someone might be searching for on this topic. So again, even though Wikipedia is the first answer and you sort of get an answer right here by it was just an expansion back in 1993 and the first season was 95. There's a lot more that you can cover on this topic. And I think if you kind of go about this process by using the people also ask, and making sure that you're covering this topic in such a comprehensive way, you'll get these people also ask answers in basically a short amount of time, and that will start to drive additional traffic to your site. And it's just a great way to deliver that strong user experience whenever someone is searching for a topic that you covered on your site.